Some of the use cases that we've implemented AI in are things like customer support, things like supply chain optimization, route optimization, warehouse planning, a lot of vehicle load balancing, and there are more use cases that we are working on. So this is just the beginning of what we have started to implement. So we have a complete AI-based strategy for the product that we will be launching more and more features over the next couple of quarters, which will go live, as soon as they are released. So there is a lot more to come in AI from Mild.
We are helping them, on the very least, we are helping with an AI agent, which is helping our customers to actually help, their end customers to get the information, like tracking the order, like asking any concerns or questions. So we're reducing their customer service overload that they usually get when it comes to the delivery part of it. For the internal operations, we are helping them with a bot, which actually helps them to retrieve the data faster. Another AI use case is the smart dispatching, where they can easily dispatch, be completely hands-off. The system suggests them which area, which driver would be the fastest and the most optimized one. And the third area that we're working on is carbon footprint. So we are helping them reduce, the carbon footprint through our integral AI that is actually built in. So we are using both generative AI and predictive AI into our platform to make it more, efficient for our users, and they're more hands-free when they're doing their operation.
It has been 2 quarters since we have started shipping AI-based features, and the tangible benefit that our customers have so far been able to relate to the AI additions are reduction in cost, reduction in time in their daily processing of the operational tasks that they've been applying the AI tools towards, and basically getting more automated. So the same task which might have used 5 customer support representatives is now taking 1. So there's a lot of reduction in cost based on that. There is a lot of immediate response and a lot of automation that their operations is able to take leverage from.
So if I can actually put it in numbers, one of our customers has actually reduced their customer support to 50%, like the 50% reduction in their, people who are actually handling their end customers. So now everything is happening automated. So they are saving a lot on that cost. Second is the order confirmation part. When the orders are going out, they don't have like a full confirmation, and the return rate is pretty high. After we introduce this service, automatic, the AI bot is actually sending the automated messages out to get the confirmation, address confirmation, delivery time confirmation for them. So their return rate has actually reduced to 25%, right? So those are the kind of things that we are already observing. With predictive dispatching, they are actually, they have actually started to up their deliveries by 50% as well. So these are some of the numbers that we have already noticed with our customers since they've started using our AI tool. Well, it took quite a time to actually try between, how we want to proceed with it, how do we want to do it. We started off with the predictive AI feature, which was more relevant to the logistics players, where we wanted to give them a more smarter solution per se. And then when we went on to the generative AI side, where the bot was introduced, that didn't take a lot of time, honestly. That was pretty simple, and because we have the engine at the back, so it was very easy to actually introduce the bot in there.
One word: flexibility. We have to be able to stay very flexible with everything that's changing in AI, and the solution needs to be able to adopt very quickly and move into other areas of automation. So flexibility is key, adoption is key, There are lots of challenges that logistics and supply chain can take advantage of from the adoption of AI. And along the way, while you're adopting this new technology, something like DeepSeek comes along and changes the entire landscape of everything. So, yeah, that's the key takeaway, I would say.
We believe in having the power with our resources, because they actually understand what we want. They have been working on building this. Fawad takes care of the tech side of the thing, so he and his team actually come up with all the solutions, and it's easier, it's faster, because we can try, we get our the feedback from our customers, and we can quickly maneuver and ship what they actually need. And we also believe that whatever we are shipping, whatever we are developing is solving a real world problem. It's not something fancy, but it's something that our customers can actually benefit from.
Capacity building both horizontally and vertically, not just the number of resources, but actually the upskilling of the resources to be able to get them into the next phase of this development. This is a key challenge, actually, to retrain and upskill. But at the same time, you do realize from a lot of the tech stakeholders that this is happening. It's something that we have to adopt very quickly too. So this cannot be taken lightly. So we are very serious about allocating certain parts and a few hours in a week for just the retraining purposes and upskilling purposes, and experimenting with new technologies and new algorithms and LLMs, etc. So this has been an ongoing, I would say, a strategic, involvement of our team, that we have started to adopt all of these new technologies. So very critical to be, in this.
AI is here, and it's here to stay. So they would have to act like really fast. But fast doesn't mean that you can build anything. You really have to get to the real problem and try to solve a real problem for the real customer. That is what will make your AI more human-centric, when they will actually, and they can actually relate to what they are using, and they actually believe that this thing is actually saving my time. If it is not saving my time, it is just a good to have. It is not going to stay there, all right? And you're not going to see a whole benefit coming out of what you have developed. If you want this thing to work and work for humans and actually help them, then get to the real problem, identify a real problem that AI can solve, build a strong solution on the base, and if you have that, build AI on top of that, so that it complements your user. It is not overpowering them or making them scared in any way.
Add to that, be selective on your use cases of what you want to apply AI towards. Just applying a wrapper is not necessarily the full use of the AI algorithms and the power of the technology. You really have to dive into the data level and the real advantages that the data insights are going to bring out by using AI. So yeah, use cases have to be very well thought out and well designed for AI to help take advantage.